Hard work without talent is a shame, but talent without hard work is a tragedy. Hello everyone, my name is Dhanashri and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Engineering at BIT Varda. And here I am a student of Persistent Academy for Spoken English and Personality Development. Today I would like to share my persistent journey with you guys. But before sharing my journey, I just want to express my opinion about English language. Friends, English is not just a language, it is a window to the world. English is a passport to better education, career opportunities, and global communication. Learning English is not just about speaking, it's all about connecting with global community. It helps us to understand different cultures in the world. But before joining the Persistent, I thought that I don't need to join any institute to improve my English because I understood English very well and I could speak English little bit too. But whenever I got a chance to go on the stage, I couldn't speak English fluently. There were so many fillers in my speech. I used to do small grammar mistakes also. One day, finally, I decided that it's time to improve my English. So, I was searching for English Speaking Institute on online platform. There were so many platforms are available, but literally, guys, I didn't get the satisfactory result. Then I decided that it's time to improve myself. So, I was searching about English speaking class in Varda. And I also wanted to join the topmost institute in Varda. Finally, I heard about Persistent in advertisement. Then I went Persistent for inquiry. There Afsar sir was sitting. He asked me 7 to 8 questions, which was very easy and simple question. But literally, guys, I was not able to answer every question. Only 2 to 3 sentences were correct. Finally, I decided that it's time to join Persistent. And I joined Persistent, and now you all have seen me that I have almost improved my English. And this has happened just because of Persistent. Lastly, guys, I want to give some suggestion which will help you to improve your English very well. Improving your English required consistent practice across reading, writing, speaking, and listening. There are some effective ways to enhance your skill. So the first skill is reading skill. Try to read English newspaper, which will help you to improve your vocabulary. Also try to speak loudly, which will also help you to improve your pronunciation and fluency level. The second thing is writing skill. Guys, maintain your daily journal and express your thought on that journal only in English. And the last one and the most important one is speaking skill. Guys, try to speak only in English, even if just for yourself. Also, describe your daily activities only in English. Lastly, mark my point, if you give your 100% to this class, nothing can stop you to become a fluent speaker. Stay positive, work hard, and take a small step to make a big difference. Thank you so much.